Hey y'all, just wanted to pop in here real fast and say thank you so much for helping me get over 1,000 subscribers in a really short time. It's been like 38 days and I'm already well past 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I couldn't do it without you. You're the ones that's done this. You're the ones that's blown this channel up, and I love you all. What more can I say but thank you. Thank you so much. And when this whole pandemic thing is over, I will get back to my regular content, and I sure hope y'all stay around for that. Uh, Let me know in the comments what you want me to talk about in the future. What what interests you, and we will talk about it here. I've had several businesses, so I know a little bit about a lot of stuff. So just let me know how you want my channel to go. This channel is yours as much as it is mine. I hope you still come back every day, and I will be making these videos every day until this pandemic is over, and then I will get back to my regular content. Thank you all so much. I love you all. Ciao.